Okay, so I was gonna kind of show how I get the stainless steel off the inserts out of windshield wipers. Alright, so I went ahead to a auto parts store when I was just getting in the garbage can. Looks like I got none on this one. And they just kind of stick out of the garbage can. I just kind of went after that. So let's pull a couple of them out. It's just a plastic one. Okay. That one's kind of dirty, but we can clean that up. Yeah, this one's actually pretty nice. That's a pretty good one. I mean, some of them are better. There's some of the metal. Okay. And here, I wonder what this one looks like. So here we go. Let's just find the best place to get it out of there. Just kind of free this thing. Okay. Let me pull it out or out. Here. Here's the stainless steel insert right there. This is kind of a smaller one. Okay. This looks like a bigger one right here. This is kind of the fatter one. This one doesn't seem very springy, like very tough. Some of them are just really cheap. Like, okay, here's a really cheap one. They kind of save, I think they save metal by, you know, making these indents. Anyway, so I won't be doing anything with that piece. This looks like it's pretty good. So let's free this one up. I'm just kind of using this to lever it up. I'm not really trying to cut it. Just kind of holds it in place in there. Alright, so I'm trying to keep this in frame. Okay, hey, there we go. These are kind of good for the smaller tension wrenches. Alright, so shucking windshield wipers. I mean, this stuff's pretty good metal. Need some like needle nose or some sort of other pliers to need bend the shapes, but alright. Let's pull it out. Okay, maybe it's better up that other side. Okay, there we go. That came out pretty good, so here's all the extra. If you're into scrapping, the rest of that's 10, except for the rubber stuff, just throw it away. Alright, so this is good for the small stuff. It looks like it's got a little bit of an end on it. I'm gonna go ahead and clip that. Okay, and then just clip me off some. I don't think I'm ever trying to be perfect when it comes to these tension wrenches. Here, I'm gonna just grab my multi-tool. It's the quickest thing I got. I'm gonna make kind of a small end, and then a little bit longer end, just in case I need to go into a keyway a lot more. Kind of for a small keyway. Now I don't really like the sharp edges, so I'll just kind of round it off. I'm not looking for perfection. That one's pretty good. I just don't want to get cut up. Sometimes I'll angle them. I've kind of seen that on Bothian's channel on YouTube, where he'll sometimes angle them all the way down, and that's neat because it gives you more of the keyway to work if you're been trying to learn the top of the keyway tension, so a lot of these are good for bottom of the keyway. I mean, some people like it, some people don't. Anyway, so that's how I get that one. Here's some small ones. And not all these are created equal, I mean, for sure. Some of these are really flimsy, some are pretty good, you know. There's a couple of them that I find that are really rare, that are thick, that I really like. But this kind of feels wobbly. So apparently not all stainless steel is equal. All right, here, let's make a thicker one. And I mean, they all don't have to be that big, but let me just cut off a round. Okay. Let's just make just a bend. There we go. There, just put a 90 on it. I'm just kind of just taking the sharp edges off of it. It's just a video for those people that probably have never seen this before. Maybe help them out. Got some like rubbing alcohol pads. Maybe that'll clean up this garbage that's all over it. Well, that looks nice. I mean, it's a little bit discolored, but okay. That turned out into a pretty good tension wrench. It's kind of a big one. I mean, probably using American keyways. All right. Probably more useful on smaller type of padlocks and stuff for this one. Although it would take up a lot of your space that you don't have anyway. So I don't know. To each his own. I've been trying to learn the top of the keyway tension. I got a couple of Sparrows and tension wrenches, and I really like them. You can make picks out of this. I have made picks. I've made okay diamonds out of it. It just really bends easy. I just don't like it. Not compared to the metal. I mean, I've been spoiled with Sparrow's picks, and so it's really hard for me to be happy with the picks that I make with these. It is kind of neat though, because if you need a pick and you need to make something or whatever, it's neat to make stuff out of this. I like to have some of it around. All right. Well, anyway, thanks for watching.